Hello and welcome to another episode of Techfanaticofficial, your honest guide to the Cryptoverse. Today I'm going to talk about PAAL AI. So the project is already live. It's not one of those projects that I usually cover in pre-sale. It's a project that's growing very rapidly, and I've discovered it recently in the market. And I wanted to cover it for you because, as you know, I'm doing a lot of videos on AI space, and not all of the good projects are in pre-sale mode. Some of them are already launched, and this one to me seems to be a good project to have a look at and I guess focus on. And the reason is that a lot of projects who are in the chatbot space and AI space, creating either AI chatbots or trading bots and things like that, right now are pretty hot in crypto. Even if you go to, for example, CoinMarketCap, and there is now a separate section itself that's fully talking about on a chatbot project. This is PAAL AI, which I'm gonna do a deep dive further, but just to give you a sort of space, see, they even have like Telegram bots. Unibot was growing a lot. ChangeGPT, you know, it's not a bot only, but in general, the chatbot space is growing really, really rapidly, and it's something that I would like to cover because I think a lot of people would feel bullish about. There are a lot of spam projects in the space as well, but I would say the top 10 are quite useful and have utilization. This one grow very quickly, and that's why I'm going to cover it for you and give you a reasoning why it's growing, and in the market that everything is turning red, even good project, this one is doing well. So doing a deep dive into the project, you could, go to the MyPal and tell more about the project. It's, giving you a query, which is basically an ecosystem that helps you use machine learning and artificial intelligence technology. It's helping you to get a personalized AI for yourself, deploy the AI, and then use it in different platforms like Telegram, like Discord. It gives you an AI solution for your business, for different products and projects. And then it also shares the revenue they earn for people who are staking the tokens. They give you 1% of the trading volume. They give you the AI tool subscription service. They have service revenue sharing. They have referral rewards, and they have partner projects airdropped for staking. So there's a lot of aspects of income for you. Now, in terms of the tools, they have the MyPal tool, which is the crypto-focused AI. It handles inquiries related to the crypto-related topics. It has, and you can read more about what it is. There's the AutoPal. AutoPal is autonomous AI, so it provides research, insights, analysis for you, and it can be configured based on what you need. It also gives you information for trading-related commands, so that's more research. The AutoPal is the comprehensive all-in-all, basically, that has both MyPal and AutoPal into one, and it's really fast for trading. It's for token scanning. It's good data quality and accuracy, much better than the other ones, and this is coming as the next sort of piece of the pie. Key services that they offer: they provide a personalized chatbot, they provide different platform, they provide customized data sets, they have multi-model AI, they have AI as a service, and LLM for crypto, basically. There's a whole video here as well on how to set up the chatbot, which you can watch. It's beyond the scope of this video, but I was just trying to give you some insights into what they have and the benefits that they basically provide to different projects. By the way, my browser is a bit slow today, I guess, because I've opened too many tabs. I'll cover the tokenomics and token detail as well about the project. I'll just open it beforehand. Now, in terms of the project itself, it, as I said, has multiple use cases. So it could be used for projects that you can work with, but it could be also worked as an individual. So it's not a use case that's only, for example, like a Telegram bot for one person or a group chat. Now, jumping into the utility side of things before tokenomics and token services, So the tokenomics and service tiers, they have two tiers. They have a hobby plan and a pro plan. So the token is on Ethereum. It incentivizes holding and reward mechanism. Users can earn through staking or interactions with the AI service, and the governance and voting is going to be there. Obviously, Pro Plan gives you unlimited documents, customization, data storage, and multi-platform, whereas the hobby is more to test it out, and it has, I guess, a limited scope for you to use. So based on the usage that you have, you can select the plan that you will be basically working on. Now, this is also the document page, which I'm going to share, but basically it's giving you a deep dive into what the product is, what things that they have, what is the vision, mission, and value that they have. And then they give you information about the discovery, the chatbot they have, the AI training, and all the stuff that I've already covered. The top 3 products that I've gone through, so the MyPal, and what they have and how you can do a setup. It's very comprehensive, but at the same time simple to learn. So for example, the chatbot is both useful for Discord and for Telegram, how you can craft your questions. So for example, to give you a sample of how it works, if you can see here, someone searched here about me, who is my Twitter, and then it gives an information about me, who I am, and why you should follow me. I've also did a testing one on my own. So I said, who is, for example, who is Techfanatic, and it's giving you an information about what I am, who I am, and why you should follow me. Or you could ask questions about a project, for example, tell me about ChainGPT. It's giving you information you need about ChainGPT, what's the platform, what's the token used for, and what's the benefit for it and why you should research it. So that's where the AI-driven chatbot is useful, which is the MyPal function. And you could have this in Discord, you could have this in Telegram. This is a query that you can use. You can craft your questions, and then you can make it a tailor-made interaction in Telegram, or you could use it as a moderation tool. So basically, that's the chatbot function. The AutoPal function is a bit different. That's the next level. So it's more if you're doing research, if you're doing insight generation, if you want to get notifications, if you want to get engagement, and also the setup for it is giving you the guideline here. For example, what are the top trending tokens on Ethereum? Basically, it's going to give you the information that you need. So I would say the MyPal use case is more, let's say, customized, obviously. It's more of a project, for example, I don't know, the project I covered recently, AI Tech or other ones, they want to have a chatbot that answers the questions, and it's built and customized for the community and gives more accurate information than even some of the moderators. They can be using the MyPal tool. For AutoPal is more for users, for me, who is a crypto investor, crypto researcher, for you as my community, to set it up and then engage. And when you engage and leverage insights, you learn more and you save time basically on it. AutoPal X is more for traders and token scanners. So, tools like DexCheck, now we have Morales and things like that. If you're too lazy to use those, this will give you all that information without the need to go to those websites. You can just literally search and understand about how these work, and it helps you with your trading journey. And it also search for you if the token is safe, if interacting with the smart contract will not harm you, safety and security as well for you, and the liquidity. So these are the 3 types of products that the PAAL has. And then they have a huge focus on revenue sharing. So as a token, the source of revenue for PAAL is whitelisting and AI solutions. They have advertising, cross-promotion, they have tax on trading and future revenue stream. And then from the revenue, it goes to the ecosystem fund to grow more. And it's used for different utilization. And then they have distribution to the stakers. They have integration of PAAL as a revenue sharing plan. So basically what they say is you as a user can even provide an income for yourself. So here, how we can collaborate and work together. You can contact them, you can use their services, and you can work with them for this revenue sharing. For example, they have the PAL bot here. You add a new bot. You can do a GPT AI bot, for example. You can set it up, you can deploy it. Once you deploy it and configure it, and you get your white label, you share this, and you get a 25% revenue sharing of this chatbot that you have. This is the knowledge box. So this app.pal.ai is literally giving you the ability to create your own customized bot. And then when others use it and pay for it, you get 25% of the revenue being shared. So that's one way for it. The other ways you could participate in the income generation is the staking. So they have the rewards.pal.ai for staking. They have 3 types of pools: 35% APR on 14 days, 80% APR on 28 days, 56 days is 105% APR. Plus, they give you on top of that Ethereum rewards in staking share. So if you stake for 56 days, you get 105 APR. Plus, you will be getting a part of the rewards share that they have for Ethereum. 60% goes to this pool, and then smaller portion to this pool. So far, for example, 54 Ethereum has been distributed. So going back to this topic here, the revenue sharing would be distribution to stakers, basically. And then, as I said, integration with the revenue sharing plan for AI, referral system, rewards claiming, and trading volume rewards are also some of the other ones. In terms of the tokenomics, they have 1 billion tokens. It's on Ethereum. They have 4% buying and selling behind it. As a tax, 1% goes to the stakers in Ethereum. And they're very transparent. They even have, so if you go to Etherscan, put these names, they literally, like, if I go to Etherscan now, I want to show you other wallets. If I go to Etherscan and search them, it's gonna actually bring you, let me put them here. I didn't want to show you the, obviously, other wallets. If you go here, type in the name, it's literally showing you the smart contract of the ENS, what activity they have. So they literally are super transparent. They have development, they have staking, they have marketing. So for example, KOLs, me or others, are getting paid if they do a contact for marketing, it's coming from here. You can go here, you can literally go here and search how much they've spent on marketing, how much they're spending on the staking, how much they're spending for the team. So everything is super clear, as you can see here, which is what I like. 90%, 99% of projects are not this transparent. The utilities, the governance decision-making, the staking is the big portion of it as well. And then token distribution this is the wallet for ecosystem fund, this is the wallet for staking and marketing. Again, you can search all of it. Out of the 1 billion token, 20% is for ecosystem, focusing on the community growth. 5% is for marketing, so they pay for marketing. Partnership is another 5% for projects that are partnering up with them. So you can track how they're growing and developing in this basically section of it. Now, in terms of next steps, I would like to talk about the token itself and how it's been performing. So you already now have an overview of what the project is about. In terms of the token performance, they started off quite, I guess, lower at 0.09. And the daily volume was, and this is, I think, end of June, early July, the volume was 300K. And even went down to 68, 53, all the way down to 26. And it bottomed out 20th of July. The price went down to 0.5 and only 120K. But now the price of the token has gone insanely high from that 0.004 all the way to, I think they've already done Yeah, they've already done 100x basically. So the token has done 100x in a matter of a couple of months. Now, obviously, no one could catch it here, but here is where people started hearing about it. But even from here, it's done pretty much 3x, 4x, sorry, 4x right now. This is in a month. They've done a 4x. The reason behind it is all the utilities started to kick in, and the market cap is now from something that's like under 1 million. Now it's market cap of 23 million, which is pretty good for bear market for a project that didn't launch on any massive launch pad. They had a very slow, small launch, and circulating supply already half of the 60% of the token is circulating. So literally the fully diluted value is 37 and the market cap is 23. So even they start selling more, they won't dump the price significantly, basically, because the total token is 1 billion. Now, of course, now it's peaking a little bit, but it is growing basically rapidly based on how the project is developed. The price here, I wouldn't focus too much, but I would look at it from when they launched. From when they launched at price of 0.004, let's say they've done a 10x. So that's really impressive for this market on a natural sort of situation. And they're only on a few decentralized exchanges, and that means they don't have the massive marketing power of some projects. They don't have Launchpad, but it's all network effect because they have an actual product. And the reason for it is they have a good social. So they have Discord, they've got Telegram, very active one. And also they have a good NFT community. And then on Twitter, they're also pretty active. They are building a lot of partnerships. They just started partnership with Ator protocol. They started partnership with Reveal, which is a pretty decent project. They started partnership with for AutoPAAL with other projects that are coming in. So as you can see, it's fully focused on partnerships. I am following them, by the way. It's just that, again, my Twitter is on my Chrome and I'm using Brave browser. So they're focusing on building as many partnerships as they can, because the more partnerships they have, the more usage they're gonna have for their bots, and the more usage of the bots, the more money they're gonna earn for themselves and for the community. And the more community earns money, the more users are gonna come in, which also pumps the token price further. So here you can see that the wallet holding is 5.4, so 5,000 wallet holding, which is really good. The DEX score is 99 on DEX tools. And the price of the token is also growing, basically, if you look at it at the long-term perspective. So overall, I like this project for multiple reasons. One, right now in bear market, they're building, and they're not building on hype. They're not building, they didn't launch in DAOmaker or other launch pads. They actually did a fair launch. Token was available, you could go and buy it, and they just changed the contract address so that you could buy it and you could make gains based on it. They have a very transparent staking platform, and the risk that you have is only this token. So it's not a risk that you would take on adding liquidity pair. Good APR plus revenue sharing on it. If you're an influencer like me, or if you are a guy who is very well connected, you could contact them, you could join them, you could earn part of the revenue share from the trading bot. As I said, 25% revenue sharing. The community is growing organically. That's very important for me. You see, usually on Twitter, you have people who have, I don't know, 200,000 people on social media. And then when they do a post engagement, it's only, for example, 200 people. But this is, organic engagement, organic Twitter, organic social media, and organic growth of the product. And right now the token is 60% circulating. So soon it's going to go higher, and it means lower risk for you to have dumpage. It's just multiple people holding the tokens and no team dumping, basically. Now, what I think is what will happen in 2024. So I'm looking at this long term. And because short term, this price might go back down to here, go back up and things like that. It's bear market. But the way they're going and growing, if they continue growing this way, they could be the top name for AI. I'm being specific because there are different AI narratives, AI chatbots and AI chatbot tools for users, as investors, as researchers, but also for projects. They could dominate this. And if they dominate this, or even take a portion of this market and generate revenue and be more well known in the future, because I'm giving you an early alpha, the market cap, I think, would easily reach 100 million. And that's a 5x from here right now. So my prediction, I don't like to predict, as you know, I don't give financial advice to your own research. But in bull market, this could be like a 5x, for example. So what I suggest you to do right now is, I'll put all the links in the description, but what I suggest you to do is go and learn about the bot, play around with the bot, play around with the staking pool, go play around with the bot that I've given you on the Telegram channel, and also set it up here. It's all here. You could go easily set up and the commands that you need. Also learn more about the PAAL X that's coming in the roadmap, because this one is the ultimate tool that they're going to have for crypto management. And I think it's going to be a game changer if people start using it. And then, do your own research in terms of price action. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, subscribe, comment down in the description if you have any questions. I'm in regular contact with the project, and I think they would be more than happy to be responsive. I was traveling and I just came back, so that's why there was a bit of delay. But I think this project is worth researching as one of the projects that's live in the market in the AI and chatbot space, being a hot narrative. So I hope you have a great day. Enjoy your day. And if you have a question, again, put it down in the description. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time. Goodbye.